Welcome to the New Jersey Association of School Administrators virtual booth. We appreciate the opportunity to co-sponsor Virtual Workshop 2020 with the New Jersey School Boards Association and the New Jersey Association of School Business Officials. The pandemic has certainly changed the way we teach and communicate, but fortunately, technology and virtual events like this one allow us to share ideas and experiences so we can keep New Jersey school systems at the forefront of educational excellence. All the images in the NJASA booth are linked to specific content, videos, and pages on our njasa.net website. And if you require additional information or assistance, please do not hesitate to chat with our virtual receptionist. I hope you enjoy our 2020 virtual workshop. Stay safe and well. Thanks for visiting the NJASA virtual booth.